You have the money in your account. You pay your credit card balance in full. 0 interest, 0 late fees. 3 days later, you get a notification that your credit score just dropped 20 points. It looks like a mistake, but the credit bureaus don't track your account in real time. Instead, your bank takes a single snapshot of your balance once a month and locks that number into your credit report. Today, we are going to build a simple, automated calendar system that legally times this snapshot to report exactly what the algorithm wants to see, a 1% utilization rate. To set this up right now, you need 4 things in front of you: your smartphone, your banking app, your calendar, and the total credit limit for each of your cards. Controlling the timing of this monthly snapshot gives you direct control over the amounts owed category on your credit report. That single category drives nearly a third of your total credit score. Step 1 is finding out when the camera actually clicks. Open your banking app and ignore the home screen completely. Navigate into your account settings and find the Statements tab. This mockup highlights the difference. Banks prominently display the due date on the left, but the number we need is buried inside your actual PDF statement on the right. It's called the statement closing date. If you wait to pay your bill until the due date, your bank will take its monthly snapshot at the very end of your billing cycle. That guarantees the bureaus see your highest possible balance for the month. Open your most recent statement and write down the exact statement closing date for every single credit card you carry. By ignoring the bank's chosen due date and operating strictly around the statement closing date, you bypass the algorithm's delay and control exactly what gets reported to the bureaus. Step 2 is timing the payment. Open your calendar app and create a recurring monthly reminder set exactly 3 days before the closing date you just wrote down. That buffer is required. Bank transfers take 1 to 2 business days to clear. If you wait until the day before the snapshot, the payment will post too late and the high balance will still get reported. When that alarm goes off, log in and make a manual payment. Do not rely on autopay for this step. Autopay is designed to pull money after the statement closes, which defeats the entire strategy. If you have multiple credit cards, you'll use the all zero except one method. This means you pay every card down to a strict 0 balance, leaving a small balance on just one active card. Here is the math. On a $5,000 limit with a $2,000 balance, a manual payment of $1,950 leaves a $50 balance, exactly 1%. Paying balances to absolutely 0 seems logical, but doing that actually lowers your score. The scoring model evaluates how you handle debt. A continuous 0 balance looks like you aren't using credit at all. That tiny 1% balance provides the algorithm with steady, optimal data, proving that you are actively and responsibly managing your accounts. 3 days after your manual payment, the bank takes its snapshot on the statement closing date, capturing that 1% balance. Step 3 clears the board. 25 days later on your due date, you simply pay off that remaining 1% balance to true 0. Because the snapshot has already been taken, you can safely use your bank's standard autopay feature to handle this final tiny payment to ensure you never incur a late fee. Now, if your regular monthly expenses naturally push you close to your credit limit, you might fall into credit cycling, maxing out the card, paying it off in the middle of the month, and maxing it out again. Banks classify credit cycling as highly suspicious behavior. Doing this repeatedly triggers automatic reviews and can cause the issuer to freeze your account. The correct solution for high spenders is to call your issuer, explain that you pay in full every month, and request a formal credit limit increase. Securing a higher total limit gives you more room to spend. It naturally keeps your utilization percentage near that 1% target without requiring constant mid-month payments or risking a frozen account. With this automated system in place, your balances will always be perfectly positioned before the bank takes its picture next month. And remember, credit utilization has no memory. Whatever high balance you had last month is completely erased the moment your new optimized 1% utilization gets reported. However, utilization is only one piece of the puzzle. If you have historical negative marks, outdated errors, or collections on your report, those will act as a hard ceiling on your score. To systematically remove those historical negative marks, check out the Credit Rehab Pro system using the link in the description or the QR code on screen. Repairing historical errors takes time, but manually controlling your credit utilization is the fastest, most immediate way to force lenders to view you as a prime-tier borrower, starting today.